Yes, my people, welcome back to another video. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican farmers. If you're new here, my name is Evah. What's up, my beautiful people? Jamaican farmers. It's all about farming. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, giving you guys a update on the organic farm, as you can see in the background here. Don't forget to check out my store. There's a lot of products there. Go and check it out. Link is in the description also. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Before we go any further, right now, I'm going to show you what's going on the organic farm.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my people, after a couple days, we're getting some little rain dew, some little rainfall. Yes, as you can see, I have some seedlings here. Alright, seedlings. Yeah, man. I have some pop chow over the far corner. And right here, I have some callaloo. And as you can see, they're bursting out of the soil and growing nicely. So, just waiting for the right time for them to grow a little more. Then I put them into the fridges. Alright? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about update on the organic farm. So stick and stay. I'm going to tell you what they're going. Alright? Alright, down here in the new old part of the farm, I have a tomato plant here. Yeah, started to blossom. It started to ripe also. It started to bear. You know, from early out. Yes, I picked tomato. I eat two tomatoes off this tree here this morning. So that means things is going on. And as you can see where it plant right at the root of the apple banana plant. Yeah, plant right there. Look what's going on. What's going on, my viewers? When you see something like this, anything the cat is eating, it is medicine. Yeah, that is medicine. This is the plant. Yeah, he was eating. Right, so anytime you see an animal is eating, watch it. Anytime you see an animal is eating a plant, the plant is medicine, my viewers. Yes. As you can see, I have a nice okra tree here, just started to blossom and thing. Yeah. Whoa, my people! Yes, my people! You don't know. This is what I love to see on the farm, you know. Yeah, yes, Kitty. I love the tips. Tips, what's going on, Tips? You can't come from the video now, man. I love to see this. What is going on for Altia? I'm not going to leave this one specially for you, Altia. I'm not going to leave this one specially for you, Altia, because I know you're coming over for Christmas, alright? So I have some sorrel in the fridge and I'm going to bake some toto, man, and some potato pudding. So don't worry, alright, Altia? Yes. So yes, my viewers, sweet pepper, bell peppers, yeah. And I have an next little tree here, yeah, blazing up. A sugar cane, although it's small, but it can heat. Yes, I have a next one here. So yes, my viewers, I have okra tree here growing very tall. Yes, my people. Going to show you what's going on inside the fridge. I don't feed my chicken them yet, them a cry. Tell them, say them, alright, look here now, my viewers. I'm supposed to go inside and get something to show you how tame them is, you know what I mean? Yeah? Look at this big one here. Very tame, you know, them just need something. Just need to, and guess what now? My little friend here, Tips. All him need ear comb. Ear comb, brush me ear for me now. Yes, that, and with that alone, he want one. He want to go down there, but any day go down there day like today. Alright, me people. This plant now, me people. This is one of the powerful plants of the world. Yeah, merengue. This is merengue. As you can see, I plant it inside of a container. So I'm gonna get a bigger container to plant it in. Yeah, my callaloo here in the half-grid farming plantation. Yeah, so yes, that is merengue. I have my rainwater here, my people. My rainwater here, as you can see. Yeah, that come from the roof. Yeah. Alright, my people. I have a next cat over here sleeping, you know. And them love murmur and cussing. They can't come wake me, put them in bed so early. Watch him. I saw him work, you know. Yeah. Alright, my people. Alright, as you can see, corn bursting out. Yeah, and the organic farm. There's an next cat again. There's so much cat here. I'm a lover of cat, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa, what is this? Something come on the farm here, man. Something come on the farm here. Come out of this, man. You can't walk inside this, man. Why if you do that? My people, if I take out stone and tough dirt out of the wall with the thing them plant. Okra. Okra bursting out. Okra. Yeah? Okra bursting outside of the soil. Yes, my people, we have to plant. If we don't plant, we're going to hungry. Yeah? Yeah? I have some corn that burst out earlier. These corn I plant them first in the early part. I saw some carrot inside here, but I don't see them yet. 1 and 2. I see 1 and 2 bursting out of the soil, but I'm just waiting to see the outcome. Yeah? Here, I have some cauliflower here. My people, them just start to burst out. Yeah. Not these, you know, not these. These one, this is, because I do a drop seed. Yeah, cauliflower. 1 and 2 start to burst because I do a drop seed. I never sow them, I plant them. You know, come out of that kitty. Here, cauliflower. So you don't know. Sometimes, yeah, we have to take time to take out the thing out of them. Although nothing can stop them from grow. You know what I mean? Yeah. Over here, I have some kale. I have some kale drop seed, but I don't see them as yet. Don't see the kale them as yet. You know, kale put on too long in a store, them always spoil. Over here is the time. Yeah man, time section over here. Here now is the ginger. Here is the ginger spot, my people. Ginger is here. Some burst out because they will start to sprout from early. Yeah. So just waiting for the rest to sprout. I don't quite remember. Some of the things in the plant I don't remember, you know. I think over here is onion. No, garlic. Garlic. Over here is garlic, my people. Over here is garlic. I'm just waiting for them to burst. And here is onion. Here is onion, my people. As you can see. Let's see if I can. Onion. Onion is here. Onion. All those little sprout up is onion, my people. Onion. And underneath, the soil is very wet and nice. So you don't know, them just planning to grow. Yeah, they don't have no other plan than to just grow. You know what I mean? It's all about growth. Alright, here, the scallion bed. This fridge here is a scallion fridge. And as you can see, them up very lovely and nice. Yeah. I plant some eggplant here, drop seed, some eggplant, but not seeing them as yet. But I'm just put some scallion in between, because most of the time when you put mix scallion or onion or garlic with something else, them grow much better because they're much cooler. Alright, so yes, my viewers and subscriber, I have some sawdust here. This is what I use to cushion like the onion, you know, the thyme and so forth. Yeah, I noticed the cat is walking here. All the cat is walking here, so I have to get something to stop them from walk there. So I'm gonna push something to back it up, so that means I don't know if they're gonna jump up the top, but I'm gonna back up the top also. Yeah, just to get them from walking in the fridge here. Yeah, much better. So yes, my viewers and my subscriber. Right now I'm about to give them some fish water to keep them nice and cool for the day, although the sunlight is not that bright, but yes, it's all about I'm gonna give them some fish water. The fish water is the fertilizer for them. So I'm gonna fill a bucket out of the fish pan to get them up and running with some nice fertilizer in the morning here. So yes, let me show you the fish water, because Remember, the farm is an organic farm. I don't use chemical inside here. So I'm gonna get a pan of water out here. Yeah, pull this pan of water out here, and then after I take out the water, I'm gonna full back the bucket out here, the drum out the rainwater, throw back inside here for the water to build again with the fertilizer in it. So the darker the water gets, it is the more stronger the fertilizer gets. Alright. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about we have to plant. If we don't plant, we're going to hungry, and if we're hungry, we're going to sick, and if we're sick, we're going to yes, my people, may I tell you no, man, farming is a must. It's all about the organic farm, and this is the update, you know. And I need you guys to stick and stay, because when this farm is started to bloom, that is where you're gonna see the beauty of it. You're gonna see all the birds flying from all angles just to get the blossom and the bloom of this farm here. It's all about farming. It's a farming revolution. And if we don't plant, we don't eat. And if we don't eat, we're going to be hungry. If you understand what I'm saying to you. Farming is a must. See me, people? Stick and stay. There's a lot more to come. Alright, my viewers. It's all about time to get some water. So I'm gonna use this container here to take up water out of the fish pan. But what I notice when I try to catch water out of the fish pan is like the fish them want to go into the pan. Yeah. So I have to watch to make sure that I don't catch any of them to go and chew on the plants them. You know what I mean? Yeah. But yes, my people, this is the fertilizer. And when you see me take out the fertilizer like this, it is very strong. So most of the time I have to mix it. Most of the time with the rainwater. Yeah. Because it is very strong. And if the fertilizer is too strong, it's gonna burn the plants. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Alright, so with it. Yeah man, really on the organic side of life. We don't want any chemical in our system, so I'm gonna just pull it up with rainwater. Alright, then I'm gonna throw back some water inside here. Yeah, and my viewers and my subscribers, you see this little pan here with these this little water inside here? You know how important that little water is? Yes, when I'm in the kitchen, it is a joy to sit and watch the birds drinking from here. Alright? Yeah, let me reframe myself. When I'm inside my kitchen, it is a joy to watch the bird through the window, through the glass, drinking from this fountain here. And guess what? Guess what, me people? Most of the birds that come here to drink water, they bathe also. I don't want to tell you about them bikini, but trust me, you want to see when them are bathe, you have some of them then take off the whole of them bikini, massa. In Jamaican term, them take off the whole of them bikini, massa. So yes, me people, it's all about farming. You know what I mean? It's a farming revolution. So right now, going up on the farm, then I have to do some watering. Stick and stay. So yes, my people, after mixing, yeah, with liquid water, this is how I use it to water the plant in one. Yeah, but just give everybody a little, you know. You know, when you have a little thing at home to eat, you just give everybody a little. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with these eggplants, if them going to grow, but just a water everything. You need to get a good watering pan, but time to take care of things. Alright. So yes, my people, this is the garlic bed. This is the garlic bed. Them don't bursting out yet. But soon as them start to burst, you're gonna see them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, soon as them start to burst out, you're going to see them. Yeah. Alright, don't want to finish it one place. I don't take out too much fish water, you know. Because take out too much,
it's going to leave the water weak. So what I done, take out a bucket and then leave it to be strong again. Yeah, I don't see anything burst out here yet, so I'm gonna draw back a little on those, give what I see bursting out. Yeah, we have a little rainfall now and then, so yeah, give my time a little. So yes, my people, it's all about the organic farm here, man. The breeze is blowing nice, and that is what we need. Yeah, some of yours are my subscribers. I'm gonna be out for now, leave them to grow a little more, then I'm gonna give you a next update on what is going on here on the organic farm. So my people, more love and blessings. All right, peace. I'm out.